Check me out, look. What I gotta do to get the runner in the camp? What I gotta prove, I got 100 in the back. Every time I get up on the back, I wanna laugh, because I'm just doing me and I'm blinking down on these tracks. Everybody say they wanna do it, but they really don't. They saying that they grinding it, they saying that they flow. But when I get up on the mic, I lose my state of mind, because I know that I was up writing until 5. God damn, I'm feeling the dedication in my veins. When I first got on the stage, they didn't know my name, but as I spit the 7 minutes, it's a battle I got going. I was doing my thing and I wasn't gonna stop it flowing. I'm doing it until I motherfucking die, or the day low handed off the coke and pace can fly. If you're looking for a prime example, I'm that guy. I'm not messing with anything, homie, brass my high. This is Cinderella storyboard like I'm Lehigh, and I'm reaching for the settlement, but y'all Lehigh. Yeah, I'm looking in the mirror and I'll say it now. Ain't nobody gonna tell me I'm the greatest. I gotta keep going till the microphone of my sanity say to me, you never gonna abound to it. I'ma keep it going through all the jungles and mountain kids, sitting here and looking at my computer and songs that I never released until the day I was on. I put my heart on every track that I rap, and I swear, even when nobody listening, nobody cared. Yeah, I'm looking right up at the sky, got to go, can you hear me? Don't think myself scares me, nah.